bad. Come on. I like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put a hurtin' on ya like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya. Your girl actin' stank, then call me over. Not on the bed, lay me on your sofa. Call before you come, I need to shave my chop chop. You do what you don't know, you will, I won't chop. Go downtown and eat it like a won't chop. See my hips, big hips, so chop. See my butt, and my lips don't chop. Lost a few pounds till my waist go down. This the kind of beat that go ba ta ta, ba ta 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 ta. Sex me so good I say blah blah blah. Work it. I need.
It is Wavy Spice here. First of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you are a subby. Before we get into the video, definitely do not forget to subscribe. This video is going to be my holiday soft glam look, and very classic look for Christmas. You can definitely wear this to like any holiday parties or like on Christmas if you're like one of those people, or maybe if you're gonna go out on Christmas night. This would be a really cute Christmas type look. Of course, before we get into the video, definitely want to invite you to subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spice Gang. Of course, you're gonna get a lot of beauty, fashion type videos here, so if you're into that and you like this video, definitely hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. But yeah, other than that, let's get into the look. Bye. Right, so what's up, guys? I already did my eyebrows and I went ahead and concealed my eyelid, and I used the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 13, and I went ahead and set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is only like my second time using the Juvia's Place concealer, and this is my first time using the Maybelline powders, but I heard really good things about it. My girl Dana Renee Makeup put me on. So I'm going to start off with my Dose of Colors palette, the Desi and Katie palette. Haven't used this in a while, so I'm going to start off with this, and I'm going to use the shade Churro to start.
Glass of water, boy, it's good to know ya. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive, it's why I can't. It's your primitive, it's why I can't. If you got a big, let me search it.
Okay, now I'm about to go into the shade Big Girl, and it's like a pinkish color, so I'm just gonna kind of change the color of this brown to be just a little bit like rosier. And the brush that I'm using, by the way, is the Morphe 514. This is like my favorite brush to blend with.
Now how hard I gotta work, yeah. It's your primitive, it's why I can't. It's your primitive, it's why I can't. If you a fly gal, get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair done.
Now I'm gonna go in with the darkest like chocolatey brown shade, and that is called Cheens. And of course, I'm just gonna put this on like my outer corner, and I'm still gonna be using the same brush with this. And then I may follow in, depending upon how I like how this is, with the M562 brush, which is just a more defined type of blending brush. I'm gonna go really light first. And you just want to do circles right here, and then kind of drag it a little bit in, like right there, just drag it.
Boy, lift it up, let's make a toast. Let's get drunk, it's gonna bring us closer. Don't I look like a Holly Berry poster? See the Belvedere play.
Wow, I went a little too hard on this eye. I wish I would have started off with less color, but I got a little too happy. So that's a pro tip. Always start off light, then work your way up and get deeper. Don't just go in there and put a bunch on the brush, because then your look might not turn out exactly how you like it. So, and I'm also gonna make sure to hit my actual lid in this area, because I want to make like a almost. And I'm gonna go in with I have two of these M14 brushes, so I'm gonna go in with a clean one and just try to blend this out a little bit more. Especially the side where I applied just like a tad bit too much product. And then if you put your finger at the tip, I feel like it helps blend like more seamlessly and flawless. So that's a tip. Like the further you hold your brush out, the lighter the blend, I feel, and the more like seamless.
And tricks on ya. Girlfriend wanna be
Like stamp out where I want my lid color to go.
me never. You won't find a chick that's even better. I make it hot as Las Vegas weather. Listen up close while I take it backwards. Okay,
So the brush I'm using for this is the Morphe N421.
it's the guy listen me with you. I'm not a prostitute, but I can give you what you want. I love your braids and your mouth full of phones. You love the way my butt boom, 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 boom. Keep your eyes on my boom, 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 boom. You think you can handle this?
Okay, and now I'm about to go in with the shade Necessary. And that's this basic nude right here. And I'm gonna use that for the lid.
Take my thumb off and my tail go boom. Cut the lights on so you.
I almost wish it was lighter. Like, Necessary is a little too, I feel it's a little too dark. I want it to be a little bit lighter even.
See what I can do. Is it worth it? Let me work it.
Now I'm gonna go in with the lighter color because I want to brighten it up just a little bit. And that's called Basic.
My thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive and when yet. It's your primitive and when yet. If you got a big, let me search it and find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive and when.
This is what the eyes looks like. And don't worry, it looks a little crazy right now because I don't have my actual whole face done, but I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. Okay, so for skin, I'm gonna use my Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Malawi. And I really like this foundation. This is only the second time I've worn it. And believe it or not, guys, right now I am gonna put this on with a brush. So I'm back to using brushes. This is a Real Technique Expert face brush.
Boys, all type of boys. Black, white, Puerto Rican, Chinese boys. Girls, get that cash. If it's 9 to 5, we're shaking your ain't no shame, ladies, do your thing. Just make sure you ahead of the game. You know, Missy still super duper, but Prince couldn't get me change my name. Papa, Hooter can't say his live again, no stop. Picture black saying, oh yes, I'm outside. Got a Lamborghini.
But I just love the finish of it. It's just beautiful. And I'm gonna use the same concealer color, the 215. I feel like I could have probably stood to go down one shade in my concealer, but I do like my concealer really bright, so I'm not really complaining.
Just to make your haters even freaking matter. Admit I'm the shit, name when the batter. When I drop this record here, it won't even matter. Why you act dumb like duh? Say you act dumb like duh. As the drummer boy go rum. Give you some of this cinnamon. Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive and when yet. It's your.
Okay, so I'm gonna set with my Maybelline setting powder, and it seemed really good from when I put it on my eyes, so I'm very excited to use it.
Primitive and when yet. If you got a big, let me search it and find out how hard I gotta work. Yeah, it's your primitive and when yet.
So I'm gonna go ahead and use my bronzer. I'm using the Maybelline Clean Collection bronzer. If you guys have another bronzer that you recommend, please let me know because I really want to try a new bronzer. I'm using my Kat Von D number 2 bronzing brush.
It's your primitive and when yet. Come on, fellas. I like the way you work.
I actually wanted to be really precise, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with my same eyeshadow brush and do my contour. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my powder, and I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Setting Spray. This is pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm just gonna use the e.l.f. black liquid eyeliner, and they changed their packaging.
Missy Elliott one-time exclusive. Is it worth it?
Okay, and the lashes that I'm using are just beauty supply store lashes. They're the brand Miss 3D Volume Lash, 100% silk lashes in the style M301. And the beauty supply store has really stepped up their lash game, so do not sleep on the beauty supply store lashes, honey. right. And I'm just gonna do this off camera. So I'm gonna line my waterline. I'm using the Rimmel black gel liner and a BH Cosmetics. Use the Juvia's Place, the Heroin Glow one. Whew. Looks like this. Very pretty highlighter. And I'm gonna use this Real Techniques like tiny stipple brush to do my inner corner.
Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's your primitive, it's my yet. It's your primitive, it's my yet. If you got a big, let me search it and find out how hard I gotta work it. It's your primitive, it's my yet.
Since it's a Christmas look, what Christmas look would be complete without a red lip? So I'm going to use my Makeup Shayla Season 10, her collaboration with ColourPop.
It's your primitive, it's my yet. Come on. I like to get to know ya so I can show ya. Put a hurtin' on ya like I told ya. Give me all your numbers so I can phone ya.
So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm going to change my outfit and then I will come back and show you guys the finished look. Okay, so I went ahead and popped on my outfit and this is the finished look. Definitely do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe on your way out if you haven't already. Also follow me on Instagram and definitely click on the next video. I mean, you're here already. Obviously, if you made it all this way and you want to see more of me, so definitely click on that video and I will see you guys soon. Bye.